This is a used 2008 GMC Acadia. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include internet connectivity, leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.